Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to another of my Smugmug Quick Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your photos and how you can also download an entire gallery. Now, one of the advantages of using Smugmug to build your website is that you get unlimited free cloud storage. Essentially, you can upload full-size photos, full resolution photos in JPEG form to use on your website, and Smugmug will do all the formatting to layout and optimize them for website viewing. But your full-size images are stored. They're not deleted, they're not changed at all. So essentially, having a Smugmug website also means that you have unlimited photo storage, unlimited cloud photo storage actually. And so that means that at any time you can download your full resolution photos from Smugmug. So if you have a hard drive crash, then you could just go onto Smugmug and retrieve the JPEG that you've uploaded here. Or if you're away, if you're traveling, if somebody wants to buy a photo, for example, or you want to use the full-size photo for whatever reason and you don't have it on you, then you can simply log into your Smugmug website and download it. Now, as always, for full disclosure, I am an affiliate of Smugmug, so if you click any of the links that I give you, I will receive a small commission for that, but at no extra cost to yourself. And in fact, as an affiliate, I can also offer you a 15% discount on any Smugmug plans that you take out. So the link down in the description will automatically give you that 15% discount, and you can click through and you can sign up for the free 14-day trial, which is no obligation. You don't have to enter your credit card details, and at the end of the 14 days, if you do decide to take out a plan, that 15% discount will be automatically applied. You won't need to enter any codes or anything like that. Okay, so essentially all you need to do when you want to download a gallery, you simply just come into Organize, you select the gallery here and come up to this download button and click download. So here, mountains, that's the name of my gallery. So if I click this link, then it will bring up this box and I can save. It will download it in a zip file, so the entire gallery will come down in one zip folder. Click OK, and now we can see up in the corner that my mountains gallery is now downloading to my computer. It's that simple. And we click done. Now if you want to, you can't download multiple galleries, unfortunately, so if you want to do another one, just untick that, tick the next gallery and repeat the process. If you want to download a specific photo, not an entire gallery, then just simply navigate to that photo, select it, and again click download, and in this case the image will automatically download. Click save file, come up here. Now I've got one photo downloading and I've got my gallery downloading as well. Now, while you can't download multiple galleries, you can download multiple photos. So if you want to download all of these photos, then you can just simply hold down the shift key to select a row of pictures, or hold down the alt key or the control key depending on your computer and just go through selecting the pictures you want to download. And then once you've got them all selected, same again, come to the download button. You'll see the download is being created. In this case, you get a link to click, just like with the gallery. Click that link, save file, done. Now I've got another zip folder coming down with the images that I've selected. So I've got the whole folder coming down, I've got one photo that's come down already, and I've got a folder of specifically selected photos downloading. So that's how you can download photos yourself. But what if you want somebody else to download a photo or an entire gallery? Now, it may be that if you're a portrait photographer, a wedding photographer, somebody's already paid you for a photo shoot and you simply want to allow them to download the whole shoot or specific photos that they liked best. You don't want to charge them because you've already charged them for it, so it's included in the package perhaps. Or perhaps you've got a gallery which you're going to restrict to friends and family, and you also want to allow them to download those photos. So the way to do that, again, is to come back into Organize, select the gallery, go to Settings, and go to Photo Protection. And at the bottom here, you've got Download buttons. So if you turn this on, it will allow visitors on the web to easily download your original sized photo. So be very careful here that you don't want to allow everyone to do this. If you turn it on, you can leave it as default, and anyone who views this gallery can just click a button and download. Or you can require a download password. So this is very, very useful if the gallery is going to be public and you only want certain people to be able to download it. Then you want to be able to set the password. So you just simply turn this on, you set the password yourself, and then obviously you give that password to whomever you want to allow to download the gallery or the photos within the gallery. Or you just turn this off and you can leave the download buttons on. And then what you can do, typically if you're going to do this, then you would have set up the gallery and you would have set the gallery's visibility to unlisted, anyone with a link. Then if it's a wedding photo shoot, a portrait shoot, personal shoot, whatever, or friends and family, then this will not be visible to the general public, and you would send somebody a link so that they could view this gallery themselves, and that way you can just easily allow them to download. So I'll leave mine to public for now. So if we turn on the download button, and we can select a password or not, let's leave it off for now. If we click save, okay, now I need to log out to show you this. If I go to my Smugmug settings and I go to mountains, you'll now see a download button here, and I can click this to download all, or if I select a photo, then I can click to download the photo. So it's not asking me. If you set the password, it will prompt you for a password. Or here, download. Now I've only set this on this gallery, so if we go look at any of my other galleries, you will see that that download button is not available here, and it's not available here. So it's only available on that gallery. If this mountains gallery was made unlisted, then I would just navigate to the gallery, highlight the URL at the top, copy that, and then email that link to whomever I want to view this gallery and to download the photos from it. It's that simple. Okay, so hope you found this useful as always, and if you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching. Catch you later.